starting with Apple. What were the levels for Apple? It was for the day candle, it was 153.77 here, and the low was 149.64. So what should be the levels? Where should we buy on 27 September? For 26 September, I told you that the buying level should be 153.52. Our entry was triggered, but our stop loss was hit at this moment. Now for 27 September, the buying entry should be 155.50, and our selling entry should be 148. It should be 148.00. These should be the two levels where should we buy or sell the Apple stock for intraday on 27 September. So on the long position, what do we have is 1:2. So $1 risk with a target of $2. That is 2:1. Risk is to reward ratio, that is 1:2, 2.04. And in the short position, for the short position, the risk is to reward ratio will be 2.5. Yes, it would be 2.5. The risk would be $1, while our target would be $2.5. Thank you. I just want to tell you that comment if you are profitable, and keep sharing the videos of this channel with your friends, and always play in the market with a stop loss. We are the disciplined trader, so stop loss is a must for us. Take trades, become profitable, and in the end, love you.